Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll talk about one Cleef and Arpels Alhambra mother of pearl jewelry that I have. Also, I asked you guys if you have any questions via my Instagram account, and in today's video I will address all of these questions that you guys raised. I hope that you will find this video useful. By the way guys, if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. And please also consider checking out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few videos about luxury shopping, jewelry, Chanel bags, Dior, weekly vlogs, travel vlogs, style and fashion, and beauty products. I have been receiving quite a few questions from you whether the items that I have are durable, did I have any problems with them, does the mother of pearl get scratched, and does it shrink? So I wanted to address all of these questions in today's video. I will start with my bracelet that I bought over a year ago, and I have been wearing it quite a lot. I usually stack this bracelet and I hardly ever wear it on its own. By the way, VCA had to shorten this bracelet for me by 3 centimeters. It was too big, and even now it's a bit too big, so I have to actually twist the links to make it shorter. And that's how it looks on my hand together with my Cartier Love bracelet. That's how I usually wear it. It's such a comfortable stack and it's pretty light. And I also pair it with my ring, with my free wall double flower ring in between the finger ring that I showed to you before. If you guys are interested, I will link down the unboxing video of this ring as well. And sometimes I stack it with my Justin Clue bracelet as well. I also like to wear it with my watch. It's very comfortable. And you guys often ask me whether my bracelet actually scratches my watch or whether the watch can damage the mother of pearl. It still looks brand new. The good thing about the VCA bracelet is that the edge is actually higher than the mother of pearl, so it actually prevents it from scratching, which is a great thing. And even when I wear it with my Cartier Love bracelet and Justin Clue, it doesn't get damaged at all. However, it can scratch my Cartier Love bracelet, but with my jewels rouge cloth that I use on my yellow gold bracelet, I am able to remove all the scratches. I really love that jewels rouge cloth, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna link it down in the description box below for you guys in case you wanna check it out. I also tried other materials, and not only it took me ages to receive it, the quality was horrendous, and I'm actually quite scared to use other materials. So the one that I linked down is the best, and I use it for over a year, and it doesn't damage my bracelet at all. The next item on the list are my earrings that I purchased last year. I really like these ones. I was considering getting them in a vintage size, but then I tried the magic size. They looked so much better on me. When I used to have shorter hair, I feel like the smaller earrings looked better on me, but now I need to have something more substantial so that they can stand out. These earrings are pretty comfortable to wear. I really like VCA clasps. They are not hurting my ears at all, which is great. But I have to say that these earrings are a little bit heavy if you are planning to wear them for 8 to 10 hours. I used to wear them to work quite often, and sometimes I could feel the weight towards the end of the day. And also whenever I would go to gym, I would have to take it off because it was uncomfortable. But overall, I'm very happy with these earrings, and I'm so glad that I bought the magic size instead of the vintage size. And the next up is my latest addition, my earrings, which I absolutely love. I wear them so often, especially on weekends. I like these ones quite a lot. I style them so easily. They go well with anything that I have, especially with lighter color, with white, with pastel colors. They're just perfect. They look great with any outfit. I have been wearing them with jeans, with t-shirts, with dresses, with blazers, and I have been wearing them quite a lot in my videos. I'm currently so obsessed with this pair of earrings. I keep reaching for the same ones, and I have to remind to myself that I have other designs. And this is so typical of me. Whenever I love something, I just want to wear the same thing over and over again. And by the way, you can see the magic size next to my earrings. The bottom is in the same size and the top is in the vintage size. Both of these styles are actually very different. I don't think I would be able to wear the dangling earrings to work. I think they're way too casual. I probably would be able to wear it on Fridays only. And the magic size is really perfect for a daily wear. I have to say, I'm still considering adding the dangling earrings in different color combinations. I have recently featured this in my recent vlog, which I will link down in the description box below for you guys in case you want to check it out. These earrings are so flattering, and I like the fact that out of most of the dangling earrings that VCA has, they are actually not as heavy. And the weight is quite important for me because I don't like to wear something that is too uncomfortable. I would need to remove it in a few hours, that's for sure. And I also saw these earrings with gray mother of pearl, which is so pretty. They also have diamonds. And by the way, guys, if you haven't watched the vlog where I featured these earrings, I will link it down in the description box for you guys so you can have a look. Moving on to the questions that I get asked at least 3 to 4 times a week, so I thought I would summarize everything here. And if I miss anything out, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'm more than happy to provide answers. So the first question that I get the most is whether I can swim with this jewelry, whether I can expose it to soap or any other chemicals. Actually, it's not recommended to do that because mother of pearl can shrink. And if that happens, you will have to pay additional money to replace it, and you probably will have to wait for quite some time. That said, I swam with my earrings before and I took shower with them and nothing happened to them. They still look the same, but I have to be very careful and I usually take them off every single time. Another question that I get asked is whether the mother of pearl can chip. I think it can chip. I never had any issues. All my jewelry still looks brand new, but it's not as durable as diamonds. I think you have to be a bit more careful with it. Another question that was asked is how do I clean my mother of pearl jewelry? Well, actually, I don't really clean it. I can wipe it once every 6 months with the fabric that was given by VCA, and I don't really have to do anything. If I want to really clean it, I just bring it to VCA and they do that for me. And you guys also asked me how do I store my jewelry. Well, I keep most of it in the pouches because it's just easier to put it in jewelry box and access it anytime I want to. I also like to take it with me sometimes if I go to gym and I don't want to wear anything, but I want to wear it after. I would just put it in my bag and put it on later. This is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found this video useful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below, and please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!